Hello guys, today is 4th of July and our daily question is merge node in between zeros. So they have given us a linked list and they have given us a head. So whenever the value of that node comes to 0, we have to summarize all other nodes and add them in a new node, or you can modify that node itself. So as you can see, there is given zeros in head starts from 0 itself, so we have to calculate all the number between another zeros, and we have to add them and summarize in a node, and then connect that node to another non-zero number and summarize it. Right, we have to create a, a linked list that contained uh, sums of number between two adjacent zeros. So let's write it. We will write a dummy first. Dummy itself is head, and we will write a new add new or sums, right. While dummy dot next dot value, not dummy dot next is not none. Next, yeah, not none. Then we will check if dummy dot next dot value is not 0. If it's not 0, then we have to sum that number with dummy dot next dot value, and we have to then move the dummy dot next into dummy dot next dot next. Right, this is the first condition. If it comes to 0, then we have to dummy dot next dummy dot value, right, that value we have to change it in sums. Right, if it's come 0, then we will reset the sum to 0, and then we will use dummy to jump to next value, dummy next, right, and return head dot next. Remember, if we return head, then it will return also 0, because our first value is 0, and we are calculating from the next one. Let's write this code. uh, yeah, as you can see, it's working. So let's say our question is 0 3 1 0 4 5, right. So we are calculating from here. This is head, right. We are calculating dummy dot next. See, dummy dot next is none, means the last character. Yeah, as you can know, the last character is none, right. If dummy dot next dot value means this one, it is dummy dot next dot value is not equal to 0, then we have to sum it, right. Sum will be 3, then dummy dot next, this one next is 1 dot next, right. We are calculating here, and dummy dot new value, next value is some. Let's run this. Yeah, as you can see, it's working. So let me say it clearly first. uh, this is dummy head, right? Dummy dot next value, and the next is here. Dummy dot next value is 3, that is not equal to 0, then 3, and we will then jump to dummy dot next means we will jump to next here, next dot next, and see if next we have jumped here, right, in 3, right, and we will check again if dummy dot next is here, is not value is equal to 0 not, it is not 0, then 3 plus 1, and we will then check dummy dot this one next is here, and we will move to here dummy dot next, this will become dummy dot next, and we will see dummy dot next value is 0, then we will immediately summarize that dummy dot next means 4 will be here 0 4, right, and sum will be 0, and will then again we will jump to 0. That's why we have not done next dot next, we are immediately jumping to 0, right. That's how we are working. Thank you for watching.